With the replace function, we can replace a value in a string expression with another string. 3 parameters are sent to the replace function. The first parameter is the string expression to be changed. The second parameter is the value to be changed in the string expression. The third parameter represents the new expression we want to change. Let's understand better how it works by making an example about the replace function in SQL Server. 3 string expressions are sent to the replace function. I want to replace a word in the first string expression. The word to be changed is Germany. I pass the word as the second parameter to the replace function. The third parameter specifies which word to replace the word Germany with. In this example, the word Germany has been replaced with USA. Let's do a different example. The word Germany was replaced with France. The first parameter sent to the function can be in a column with a string data type. Let's do an example about it. I am creating a table with ID and country columns. I am sending 10 data to the table. We can see the data in the table using the select function. My goal is to replace the France value in the country column with USA. For this, I send the country column as the first parameter to the replace function. The second parameter represents the value to be changed. I mean, France. The third parameter represents which values the France value will be changed. The France value has been replaced with the USA. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.